Now we're going to look at descending tracts in the spinal cord. Descending tracts carry motor information from the brain to the body. They're the way your body sends messages from your brain. Your brain sends messages out to your body to tell your body what to do. Descending tracts are composed of two motor neurons, an upper motor neuron and a lower motor neuron. So we're going to draw the upper motor neuron first. It has its soma in the motor region of the cerebral cortex. And then the axon passes down through the brain, not through the thalamus, but we really haven't studied the brain yet, so it doesn't matter too much. And then it passes down through the white matter of the spinal cord. Down, 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 down. We're going to have it go into the... Clearly I need a different marker. We're going to have it go down, 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 down. There we go. That's a little better. And then as I direct it into the lateral column, it's going to decussate and it's going to end in the left anterior horn. So this is our upper motor neuron, U. The upper motor neuron begins in the motor region of the cerebral cortex, passes through the white matter, descending the spinal cord. It decussates in the spinal cord, and it ends in the anterior horn of the gray matter. The lower motor neuron has its soma right here in the anterior horn of the gray matter, and then the axon passes through the anterior root and then passes out to the body where it goes to some target organ. And this would be the lower motor neuron. So two neurons in a descending motor tract. First motor neuron, soma in the motor region of the cerebral cortex. Axon sends action potentials down the white matter of the spinal cord. Decussation, crossing over to the other side, ends right here. There's a synapse, so neurotransmitter is released, binds to the soma of the lower motor neuron. The lower motor neuron sends an action potential through the anterior root of the spinal cord, through the spinal nerve, and then out to some target organ in the body. So to review, 3 neurons in an ascending sensory tract, 2 neurons in a descending motor tract. And note that in the spinal cord, the posterior root carries sensory information into the spinal cord, and the anterior root carries motor information out from the spinal cord out to the body.